And over here we have the jumper that you should put in order to get your bridge pickup working with your tone control. And so by doing this here, this one jumper right here, that does that. That's providing you have this kind of switch. And this is the Harley Benton 62. Okay, and here we see I've installed the treble bleed. Here you can see the resistor and the capacitor in there. And it's going to the terminal that goes to the jack of your guitar. And that other line then over here, then that goes usually right to the pot. And you can see this whole thing has been grounded, cavity, and